Sakura Carnival. Oh, there you go. The Ferris wheel is going.
That wheel.
But all the little shops are closing, but the carnival is on. Let's see how much it costs.
This is what they call caterpillar, and the one is a Ferris wheel.
How much ticket for?
That's for kids only. Jump
I'm
ball.
a kid. The price.
I don't know.
That's amusement ride.
Okay, let's walk
Here and not
around.
there. They both look like the same.
Different.
I don't. That's for Ferris wheel.
I don't know.
How much is the Ferris wheel?
I don't want to ride. I die. I don't want to ride.
Ask him how much.
Magkano? 30.
30?
Yes.
How long is
Thank
the
you.
Ferris ride? An hour?
Until every 30 minutes.
What?
30 minutes.
30 minutes?
You want to shoot? Yeah?
I don't know how to shoot.
You know how to hold a gun. I don't know how.
Look at the game. Oh, you missed. Can I bring my own gun? I won't miss with my gun.
Not easy. Let's go on the other side. You wanna try?
Let's go see there.
It's the same. Oh, it's a dart.
Dart.
Yeah, it's a dart. Yeah, it's the same dart.
But what you can win is like food.
That's the.
Oh, they're actually little teddy bears.
But the one more points. Let's go on the other side. Where?
There's even a baby Winnie the Pooh.
Uh-huh.
Oh man, you gotta shoot the little army soldiers? That'd be interesting. Oh, if I had my gun, I would use it. But that's cute.
Yeah.
Oh, big prize up. Come to the Ferris wheel. Pretty cool.
Is it rolling?
That's pretty cool.
What's that? It's a jump ball?
That's an amusement park. For adults. Mini adults.
Yeah. There's another game on there.
How does this work?
1 peso. You wanna try? I have peso here. You wanna try?
I don't know how it works. Stand right in the middle of the box.
Number 1.
And you play with 1 peso?
And 5 pesos.
5 or 1?
1 peso.
I don't have any 1.
Take all the one.
No, 1 peso.
Ben is trying.
How did you know who won? Who was paying attention? On the other side.
Sige, dito na kayo ma'am. Pleasure dito. Kaya po kayo ma'am. Tres na po ang taya sa bawat pagkiko. Nagpustay natin sa akin.
You throw, I hold.
Kaya kaya meron dito sa dulo. Puntahan mo si sir. Puntahan mo sila to. Puntahan sila to sa dulo. Dito na kayo ma'am. Number 29.
Almost on 11. Oh, you want to play one more? Oh, lots of cash here. All right, we got this on tape.
Pelado, kontek na dito. Bakitin, number 5.
Oh, one's gonna be on the
Number
20.
5, naku, apat na tama din na, number 5. Apat? Bale, yung number 5, apat na tama.
This is like throwing money away. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
New game. Yan na lost.
Ayusin po, ayusin nyo lang pagbilista, ha? Pakiayos po natin. Pagbilista. May kaya number 30, oh, Michelle. Dali, no?
How much?
Malakihan itong mga pataya po natin, mga listadora, ha?
5 pesos.
Ito ay mga tumbukan nito, kaya po intindihin po nyo itong mga tayaho nila, no? Oh, ang nanalo ho ay number 25. Dalawa, 25 po. Ganito yun.
How much?
Anim na tama ka na. O siguro magandang ulos ko po ngayon igan, ha? Isang pa po na, 26 na, oh. Number 25. Bakit anim na tama si Igan, ano? Yan po ang nalaglagan po ng susi, naghahanap ng kanyang susi. Kahit habang nag-iintay po siya, kung siya po ang magsasauli po dito, na nakapulot ay nandito na nangyayari.
6 pesos.
Pakisuyo po, baka po may napansin po
6
kayo
pesos.
na susi, pakiano nga po natin dito sa munting kanalang ito at nandito po yung may-ari. Pakiannounce natin, maraming salamat po.
You in cash or?
Pakisuyo nga po dito, no? Number 25 ang itinuro po ng ating waiter. At sumantala po dito sa mga hindi pa tumatama o hindi pa pinalad o sunwerte, no? Sige, tuloy lang po tayo. Sige, madam, kaya nga po kayo. Ituro po lamang po natin po kung ano po ang gusto nating numero. At agad-agad po na ililista po ng ating mga listadora habang pwede pa, no? At mabilis pa ito.